A bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cones made of recycled cardboard. So here we have 50 cones. Not here, I've drawn only 3, but there are such 50 cones. And these 50 cones are used to barricade a bus stop. Each cone has a base of diameter 40 centimeters, which is given here, base 40 centimeters. So diameter 40 centimeters, radius will be 20 centimeters. Height is 1 meter, so this height here is 1 meter. So height 1 meter. Note the difference in the unit. Radius is centimeters, height is 1 meter. If the outer side of each of the cone is to be painted and the cost of painting is rupees 12 per meter square, what will be the cost of painting all these cones? So here now we are painting these cones, and if we are going to paint these cones all look well painted, but anyway, we are going to paint these cones. Here we are going to paint like these cones. You will agree we require what? Volume, we require surface area. What do we require? And you will agree we require the CSA of these cones. The CSA of these cones, which is pi RL. And the R is given to us and the H is given to us. This L, however, is not given. So we need to find our L. So to find our L, we do the same thing. We do what? We take this triangle and we use Pythagoras theorem. So this height is Pythagoras green triangle. So height was 1 meter. Your radius was 20 centimeters. Now look, now this 20 centimeters will not work because we got to do it in meters. So 20 centimeters will be 20 over 100 meters, and that will be 2 decimals. So it will jump 2 decimals, so 0.2 meters. So here I'm going to put 0.2 meters, and the L I need to find. So let me use Pythagoras theorem. We know L square equal to H square plus R square. And the L square, your H is here 1, your R is 0.2, 0.2 the whole square. So your L square is 1 plus 0.04. So I'll continue here. So L is 1 square is 1 plus 0.04. Hope you know how to multiply 0.2 into 0.2 to find 0.2 square. So L square is 1.04. L is under root of 1.04. And this value of under root is given here. Have you seen this value they've given? Under root of 1.04 is 1.02. So this L is 1.02. So this L is 1.02. So we have now found this L. So we wrap. This is no longer a question. We have found it. So we go to find the CSA. So we know the CSA of this cone is pi RL. Take care, the pi has to be 3.14. That is what is asked. Your L is 1.02 and your R is 0.2. When you multiply this, surface area will come as 0.64056 meters square. That is CSA of one cone. But how many cones do we have? Not one. We have 50 such cones. So we write this next part. CSA of one cone equal to 0.64056. That is one cone. So we need to find now CSA of how many cones? One cone is done. Of 50 cones. So we will put here 50 cones. And that will be 0.64056 into 50, because we need to find 50 cones. So it will be into 50 for 50 cones. And that answer So the answer when you multiply by 50 comes here, so many rupees. And this is the, oh no, this is not the rupees, this is CSA, so many centimeters square. Now the next step is to find the cost, and we know the cost is equal to area into rate. This is our area, 028, and our rate is here 12 rupees per meter square, so we do into 12. So, and then the cost would come 384.336 rupees. This would be the cost to do such 50 hollow cones.